Hi everybody, I'm Andy Vigani. Today I'm going to share with you another one of my favorite recipes. My recipe for a super creamy coconut chia pudding. It's prepared in less than 5 minutes and it's super delicious. That's probably the reason why I eat it at least 2 or 3 times per week. Because you wake up, you're still super tired, you don't want to prepare that fancy Instagram breakfast, and boom! That's when the coconut chia pudding comes in very handy. Because you top it with some fruits and gives you the right boost for a perfect day. And the best thing, you just take the coconut chia pudding in a jar with you, and when you feel that afternoon low or you want to have a dessert after lunch, well, there you go. You have a light snack on the go with you. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so for the coconut chia pudding, you will need 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 6 tablespoons of lukewarm water, 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk, half a cup of coconut yogurt, 1.5 tablespoons of agave nectar or sweetener of your choice, and some fruits for decoration. So we start by mixing the chia seeds with the water, whisk it. So then let that sit for about 1 or 2 minutes. Usually in that time I prepare the fruits and all the toppings, but today, well, everything is already prepared. So let's just skip that 1 minute. All right, here we are back again. And yes, it's already activated. We're gonna add the coconut milk, the coconut yogurt, and the agave nectar, and whisk everything together. Alright, so that's it. We're gonna let that sit for another 1 or 2 minutes and then we're ready to go. Alright, so 3 minutes later, I had to prepare the set. The coconut chia pudding is ready to go. So you can actually eat it like this. It's super creamy and extremely delicious. But I'm gonna show you how I usually prepare a typical breakfast char. For that, I'm gonna add some spelt tops. And then top it with the coconut chia pudding. Oh. And then we're gonna add some fruits. Alright, so that should be it. And there you have it. An easily prepared breakfast that is super delicious. Trust me, it's so creamy, and the coconut, and now with the lemon zest, that is a fantastic combination to get a wonderful start into a perfect day. That's where I leave it. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Have a wonderful day.